Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Raghavendra. So in the previous video, we have seen that overview of the Docker. So what is Docker? How it will help to the modern web applications or any software development field. So how Docker helps and the containerization helps to reduce the space and cost of the performance of the software applications. So in this video, we will be uh, going to how to install and run your containers. So this is like a very short video. So and in the short video itself, we can I'll show you how to install and how can we run our containers there, and we can also test the hello world image in the Docker itself. So I already have that Docker. So first, what you need to do, you need to install the Docker desktop on your Windows machine. So I'll so within 10 minutes we'll cover everything. So this guide is designed for one thing, a fast practical win. So no theory overload. By the end, you will have a successful run your first container and can confidently say that Docker is working on my machine. So within 10 minutes, you can install, verify, run your first container and understand what you did. So we already discussed what is Docker. So Docker lets you package an application and everything it needs into a single unit called container. Everything in a container will run. So run any app anywhere the same way. So currently, I use Ubuntu, and because of the Linux, uh, and I also install the Docker desktop on my Windows machine to run the Docker engine. To verify, we run the Docker version. So, but before that, I'll show you. So, how can we install the Docker? So, if you are using Windows, so most of the people will be like as a learner, will be using the Windows itself. I hope, but you can run on any machine. Okay, first uh, enter that search with the Docker install. So you will get this search results. So click on the Ubuntu, then it will see in the Docker we'll have the in detail step by step method. So you can follow the document. First uninstall all conflicted packages, run this command, then run sudo app install certificates everything, and then add the like other repositories, then install Docker packages using this sudo app install docker command. Once everything is installed, it will take some time. Then you can verify the status. So to verify the Docker status, you can run this command and you can start manually. Let's see. So after that, just run those commands and then verify the Docker with Docker version. Sorry, my bad. Sorry. Let's clear this. This is Ubuntu Docker version. Okay, I have the Docker version. Now, once you have the Docker desktop, so you just need to sign in with your email address. So it will ask for the sign up. So just sign up, and then so what are the containers we have? All the containers it will show us. Okay, so when we have created, what's the command created 8 weeks ago, and the status, ports, everything we can see. Now we'll also see the Docker images. These are the Docker images we have. Okay, and let's test that one of the image, hello world, which is famous. See, hello from Docker. This is message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. Congratulations. So this is a very simple method to install and run the Docker images. And in this command, the docker run hello world. So docker is a main command to interact with docker, and run is an action. So we want run a container, the name of the image we want to run from, and this is how you'll see the successful message. So behind the scenes, what happens? So once you type docker run hello world, docker checks for the hello world image locally, not found, then pull the image from the docker hub registry, creates new container from the image, run container. So the container prints hello world, hello from docker exist. That's it. So from like in yesterday itself we have discussed the core concepts of Docker images and containers. Just a heads up, like just an overview. So Docker image, an image is ready read-only blueprint or template. It contains everything needed to run an application: the code, a runtime, libraries, and settings. The Hello World image was downloaded to your machine. So a container is a runnable instance for an image. It's the actual running application. You can create many containers from the same image, just like you can build many houses from one blueprint. And using the docker ps command, you can list all the show the currently running containers. But with the psa, you can list all the containers. Let's see, docker ps hyphen a. These are all the containers which I'm having. You can see these are the containers. Okay, and these are the images which I have currently. Docker images, we have already seen this command. So we have built the real momentum. So in just a few minutes, we have installed the docker, and see, for installing, use those commands. It will take 1 or 2 minutes, and then it will be installed successfully. So yeah, within like 10 to 15 minutes, your docker will be installed, and you can just verify these commands and run the images and all. That's it. Yeah, this very simple video. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any suggestions, just like suggest like give your inputs on the comment section, and please do like and subscribe, and please do support me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Recording